Hello everyone, this is Shaz Gill from RC Corner team. Today we are with Mr. Bean, Enterprise Drone Solution Engineer from RC Corner. Today we will see how to make activate DJI Dock 2 and we will do a test flight. So we will ask Mr. Bean how to make activate DJI Dock 2 and what are the basic steps what we have to prepare before activating DJI Dock 2.
Yeah, this is Bean from RC Corner, the DJI Solution Engineer. So before we activate the Dock 2, we have to make sure all the parts we have. So first of all, we have to get the DJI RC Pro. Like you can use if you have Enterprise series, Mavic 3 series, remote control you can use for that. And we have to use the internet connection wire and the AC wire for that.
Can we use the DJI RC Plus?
No, you cannot use.
Okay.
What it will be compatible with the Dock 2, only the Mavic 3 series Enterprise remote control only for this.
Okay. Bean, what are the things we need to prepare before activation of Dock 2?
Okay, so from here, as we can see, I keep all the things inside top of the table. So we can see from here, first of all, we have to use the 2.5 mm Allen key and this tool for connect the wire with the adapter for internet, and the remote control and the white Type-C cable and the power cable.
I have a question regarding this power cable.
Yeah.
Does this adapter comes ready from the box?
No, inside of the box there will come just a single adapter of the AC cable and a single adapter only with for the internet cable, even without the wire. So we have to prepare it before.
Okay. Now as we have DJI RC Pro, some tools, internet wire, power cable, C-type cable. So can we continue now?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, we have to connect the wire. Over here is the AC, and from here is the internet wire. Okay, so let's open the switch. So now, as we see, the light is on for Dock 2. After that, we have to open the RC Pro. So from here, first of all, we have to change the mode. Now we are using the Mavic 3 Enterprise series, right? So we have to change it to the Mavic 3D series. So now we change as successful. So after that, we have to use this wire from here, USB-C, and here for the RC. So let's go. Now the RC will be read the DJI Dock here. We have all the information. Everything is normal here. Just wait. Maybe the cable has some issue.
Bean, what is the indication that internet is connected to the dock?
See from here, UPS, you can see the green light is blinking. For example, if not connecting, let's just remove the wire here. You can see the difference. So it will be stopped.
Bean, what does this blue light means?
Why the dock mentioned blue color light? Because we are using the remote control to connect with the dock. So from here, the reading dock here, that's why they turn into blue color. Otherwise, it will be like a white color.
Bean, can you tell us some basic functions, some manual functions, what we have to do directly from dock?
From here, you can open the dock and close the dock. For example, we can try it. And if we want to close the dock, just from here, we can see. So now we connect the cable with the RC. It will be automatic connect. So it will be showing also the activation automatic. So let's just go to step by step. Just clip it, follow this, clip it, activate it. So we just have to wait for that.
So, Bean, we connect the RC, we get the option to activate the dock. How long does it take to be activated?
It depends. Like if you have the strong internet, so it will be finished just like 1 or 2 minutes. So if you have the slow internet, it will be maybe take around 5 to 10 minutes. Activation is finished. We can see from here. So we will just complete it. So. So we just complete the activation.
Min, now we finished the activation of dock. So the drone inside the dock, it will be activated also together, or we have to make it separately?
No, it's like we have to make separate again. Because the drone right now stay not count. So right now Dock 2 is activate. So we are going to activate the drone now. So here we have the Wi connection. Now here is mentioned. So now we are going to activate the drone. From here, the battery is here. We have to, this is a switch, so we have to open it. 1, 2. So how we link the drone with the RC? From here, the power switch, we have to do just hold it around like 2-3 seconds. Then drone will be give alarm. So this is the alarm. From here, we have the link. See, you can see from the RC link complete. So after that, we will just go to next and activate the drone.
Min, now we have already activated the dock. So is it ready to take to the field and to make a test fly?
Right now, not just give us few hours. So let's charge the drone first, because right now the drone is new one. So we have to charge it.
So we will go for the test fly.
Yeah, sure.
Min, now we come on site. For the setup, we have to prepare internet connection and DJI RC Pro with electricity, and we have to use our laptop to set up the dock. Correct?
Yeah, we have to use a router.
Internet router, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now we've already prepared all the items and we set up the dock already. So what are the steps to make a test fly?
So now everything is ready. So we are just going to show you how to set up for the Fly Hub 2. Let's go for that. So now we are going to show you how to use Fly Hub 2. From here, first of all, the application DJI Fly Hub 2. First of all, when we open, we can see the page like this. Normally, from beginning, we have to go to members to create a new team. After that, we have to go to the device. Then from here, we can see the dock. We have to choose this function, device binding. Then we can see the binding code and the binding and the team ID. So just keep all the information, then click it OK. So now we can see all the unit, the information here. You can see from here the wirings, and from here the information of the dock and the aircraft, even the internet speed and the how many flight, how many GPS they capture. And from here, before we, for example, if we want to to do some testing for the dock, we have to open the debugging. Then we can even open and close the dock cover and stop the AC. And here we can charge the battery or turn the drones. Okay, so we just close it. So now all the checking is done. So we just go to the project. From here we can make new project, the name and the information. When we do everything setting finish, we can just click the project. Okay, because we have already here, we were just using the before which one we're making. Just enter the project. So now we can see the information of our unit and this location. So what we have to do, just go to the file rule, and from here we can click the new flight rule. Just do it, and the type of the drone and which drone we are using, just select the same drone, and from here we can rename it. Just click OK, because here we have already, we'll just use the same one. Then we just go to the test plan. from here we are just click the clamp and select the flight rule, which one we're making, select and select the device. So just to make sure all the setup is good as well, then just click OK. Now we will fly it. The drone will be doing the job automatic. So now everything is ready, so let's just go to fly it. Now we can see the dock is open, so they are going to do the operation. Now drone is successfully take off, and now he will do the. And now you can see this is the RGB review, and another one is the thermal review machine now. Because we are just making for testing, so the machine time only will be taking 1 minute. After that, the drone will be automatically come back to the same location, which area they take off. Yes, it's done. It will be automatically close the dock. So now everything is done.
So this was the video for DJI Dock 2 and Matrix 3 TD activation and test flight. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.